Hello students, I am Jitendra Gupta. Welcome to my YouTube channel Avel Online. On YouTube, I will be posting videos related to mathematics and general awareness. Basic concept of quadrant. So, to learn about the quadrant, we have to know that this is a circle. This is a circle. It is a circle. And if we are saying that this is a circle, so this part is half of this circle. So this is half part of this circle, and this is a quarter of this circle. So we can say that this is a quarter, yani quadrant. We can say that this is a quadrant. So this is called first quadrant. This next one is called second quadrant. Next one is third quadrant. Next one is fourth quadrant. This is first, this is second, this is one third, and next one is fourth. So here is the 0 degree, next one is a 90 degree, and here is a 180 degree, next one is a 270 degree, next one is a 360 degree. Now we are just taking a minor angle, that is theta, and if theta is moving according this side, so this side is called, this side is called clockwise. This is called clockwise direction. This is called clockwise direction, and this is called anti-clock direction. So this is called anti-clock direction, and this is called clockwise direction because clock is moving along this side, and this is called anti-clockwise, means just opposite of clock. So this is called anti-clock direction. Okay, we are just taking a minor angle, that is the theta. If this is a theta and moving along anti-clockwise, so this is called A, this is called S, this is called T, and this is called C. Means A, S, T, C. This is called A, S, T, C. A means all positive, S means sine and cosec positive, A means all positive, S means sin theta and cosec theta is positive. This is tan theta and cot theta is positive. This is called cos theta and sec theta is positive. In this quadrant only is in this quadrant 0 to 90 degree all values are positive, means sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec, all the trigonometrical values are having the value positive. Got it? Next one is the sine. 90 to 180 degree sine theta, cosec theta are positive, remaining all the sine theta, cosec theta values are negative. Same way 180 to 270 tan theta, cot theta are positive, and except these two trigonometric values, all values are negative. Same way 270 to 360 cos and sec is only positive, and all the rest, all the values are negative. So, and this line is called no changing line. This is called no changing line, and this is called this is called changing line. And what is the changing and not changing line? This is the A is TC, and what is the trick? There is also a trick that all students take care. All students take care. तो सभी स्टूडेंट्स को अपना ध्यान रखना चाहिए. So we can say all students take care. So this is a trick to learn that this is the ASTC. ASTC. A means all positive. S means sine and cosec are positive. Next one is the tan and cot are positive. And C means cos and sec is positive. So what is this line is called? This line is called no changing line. Line is called no changing line. Why? Because sin theta is same. In sin theta is same sin theta. Cos theta is same. This is cos theta. Tan theta is same. That is tan theta. And cot theta is same. That is also cot theta. And sec theta is also same. That is sec theta. And cosec theta is also same. In this quadrant, that is cosec theta. Means all the trigonometries are having no changes at 0 degree, 360 degree and 180 degree. Go to remember all the trigonometrical values sin, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec are having no changes on the angle 0, 360 and 180. Let's see the example. So, if you are saying that sin 0 plus 30 degree, sin 0 plus 30 degree means sin 30 degree. Yani sin 0 plus 30 degree means sin 30. 0 plus 30 means 30 degree. And the value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. The value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. So we can say that in first quadrant 0 plus 30 degrees value is 1 by 2 because this is in 0 plus 30 means this is 0 plus 30 means 0 plus additional 30 is before the 90. So we can say that 0 plus 30 means this is in first quadrant, so value is positive, that is the 1 by 2. And when we are saying that if you have to find the value of 180, so sin 180 plus 30 degree means 180 plus 30. 180 plus 30 means value is 30 degree means sin 30 degree because the values are not changed. 180 plus 30 is 30 because this is a 0 degree and this is 180. 180 plus something. 180 plus something means this is in third quadrant. In third quadrant, tan and cot are positive. Tan and cot are positive. Rest all the values are negative. So sin 30 degree means value of sin 30 is 1 by 2, but value is negative because this is in a third quadrant, and in third quadrant tan and cot are only positive. So sin 30 degree equal minus 1 by 2. This is a negative value. Next one is, suppose the values are sin 360 plus 30 degree. So when we are saying that 360 plus 30, so 360 plus 30, this is a 360 plus 30 means which quadrant we are? We are in first quadrant. So we can say that this is the first quadrant. So value of sin 360 plus 30 is sin 30 and value is same, that is the 1 by 2. So these values are dependent on quadrant. So this line is called no changing line, means 0, 180 and 360 angles trigonometrical values are not changed, means sin is sin, cos is cos, tan is tan, cot is cot, sec is sec, cosec is cosec. Next one is Next one is this line. This line is said to be this is called changing line. And why we are saying that this is a changing line? Because sine is converted, sine theta into, this is converted in cos theta, cos is converted in sine, tan theta converted in cot theta converted to tan theta, and cos sec theta converted to cosec theta, and cosec theta converted to sec theta. What are the changes? Let's see. If we have to find the value of sine 90 plus 30, suppose 90 plus theta, the value we have to find the value of sine 90 plus theta. So we can say 90 plus theta is 90 plus theta means 90 plus theta means 90 plus theta means this is in a second quadrant, and in second quadrant sine and cosec is positive, rest all the values are negative. So values of sine 90 plus theta is sine theta, but because of 90 this is called cos theta. So guys, this is a sine 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta, value is positive because this is in a second quadrant. Next one is, we just take the example other, the sine 270 plus theta. If I am having example sine 270 plus theta, so we can say that 270 plus theta means this is in fourth quadrant, and in fourth quadrant all the values are cos and sec is positive, rest all the values are negative. So this is a sine, so value of sine is changes, sine is equal to cos, but because this is in fourth quadrant, so this is having the sign is negative. So we can say that sine 270 plus theta is equal to minus cos theta. 270, so we can change sine into cos, cos into sine, sine converted in cos, and negative. Why we are just using negative sign? Because this is in fourth quadrant. Fourth quadrant is cos and sec are positive. Rest all the taking some questions to understand how can we put the values and how can we get the answer. Suppose question is there that sine 60, question is sine 60 cos 30 plus sine 30 and cos 60. Suppose this is the question, and if this is the question, so we can say that the value of sine 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. The value of cos 30 is just opposite of cos 30 means sine 60 means root 3 by 2. Next one is sine 30. Value of sine 30 is 1 by 2, and cos 60 means sine 30 means cos 60. Value of cos 60 is also 1 by 2. So put the value. We have to find the value of this. Find the value. This is question. So this is a root 3 by 2, and this is also root 3 by 2, and this is a 1 by 2, and this is 1 by 2. So students, this is a root 3 multiplied by root 3 by 2 means 3 by 4, and this is 1 by 4. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 means 1. So students, answer is 1. Cos square 60 plus 4 sec square 30 minus tan square 45 degree upon sine square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. find the value. Find the value. So students, this is the value of 5. The value of cos 60 is, the value of cos 60 means this is the value of sin 30, and value of sin 30 is 1 by 2. So we put here the value of this is 1 by 2 power 2 plus 4. And if you note both the value of sec 30, so we have to remember that what is the value of cos 30. The value, okay, if you don't know the value of cos 30, means you know the value of sin 60. Sin 60's value is equal to cos 30. What is the sin 60? Sin 60 means root 3 by 2. And sin 60 is equal to cos 30. Means root 3 by 2. And just opposite of 2 by root 3. We can write here 2 by root 3 to the power 2. Now minus the value of tan 45 is 1 to the power 1, and the value of sin 30 is 1 by, if you want then you can put value also, sin square theta plus cos square theta equals 1, so this is a 1, but put the value. So value of sin 30 is 1 by 2 to the power 2, and the value of cos 30 means root 3 by 2 to the power 2. Now this is the 5 by 4 plus 4 into the 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1 upon 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So this is the 5 by 4. This is the 16 by 3 minus 1 upon 1. 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4 yani 1 by 4. So this is the, take the LCM is 12, there is the 5, after taking LCM there is a 15, this is a 64, and this is 12. So after adding the value, there is 9, there is 79 minus 12 upon 12. So this is a 7, and this is a 6, and this is 12. So this is the answer. So that's all for today, students. If you not subscribe my channel, so subscribe my channel to watch more videos. We are trying to educate you by some standard way. So some values are related to 10th class and upgraded class. So watch my video to learn more. Thank you.